Imagine having the best salesperson in the world working for your business 24 hours a day. A salesperson who never sleeps, never takes breaks, never forgets a follow-up, and can write sales messages, advertisements, landing pages, email campaigns, and marketing funnels in minutes. Now imagine that most business owners already have access to this tool, but they're using it to write social media captions instead. The reality is that many entrepreneurs struggle with marketing because they don't know what to say. They know their product is valuable. They know they can help people, but when it's time to write an ad, create a sales page, or convince someone to buy, everything becomes difficult. That's where ChatGPT changes the game. In today's episode, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create persuasive ads, marketing funnels, sales copy, and customer journeys that actually drive results. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI-powered marketing system you can apply to almost any business. Let's get started. Before creating marketing content, we need to understand one important truth. People don't buy products. They buy outcomes. They buy solutions. They buy transformations. For example, people don't buy a fitness course. They buy weight loss. People don't buy a productivity tool. They buy more free time. People don't buy AI training. They buy income opportunities. Understanding this principle instantly improves your marketing. Let's use ChatGPT to identify customer desires. Prompt: act as a marketing strategist. List the top 10 goals, frustrations, fears, and desires of entrepreneurs interested in AI automation. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates customer insights that can guide every marketing message you write. This becomes the foundation of effective marketing. Now let's create advertisements. Most ads fail because they're too focused on features. Great ads focus on benefits. Prompt: act as a direct response copywriter. Write a Facebook ad promoting an AI content creation course. Target busy entrepreneurs. Focus on saving time and increasing consistency. Include a strong call to action. Notice how quickly ChatGPT creates a complete ad structure: problem, solution, benefits, call to action. That's the framework behind many successful advertisements. But marketing isn't just about ads. You also need landing pages. A landing page has one job: convert visitors into leads or customers. Prompt: create a landing page for an AI business coaching program. Include headline, benefits, testimonials, FAQs, and a call to action. In seconds, ChatGPT provides a complete first draft that you can customize and publish. Now let's talk about sales copy. Many entrepreneurs think sales copy is manipulation. It's not. Good sales copy is simply clear communication. Your job is to help potential customers understand what problem they have, why it matters, how your solution helps, and what action they should take next. Prompt: write persuasive sales copy for an online course teaching freelancers how to use AI to increase productivity. Highlight outcomes and real-world benefits. Next, let's build an email funnel. This is where many businesses generate consistent revenue. An email funnel is simply a sequence of emails designed to guide people toward a purchase. Prompt: create a 5-email nurture sequence for new subscribers interested in AI automation. Include education, trust building, and sales messages. ChatGPT can instantly create welcome emails, educational emails, case studies, product launches, sales campaigns, follow-up sequences. Now let's build a complete marketing funnel. This is where everything connects. The funnel looks like this: advertisement, lead magnet, landing page, email sequence, offer, sale. Prompt: create a complete marketing funnel for an AI consulting service targeting small business owners. Within moments, ChatGPT creates the entire customer journey. Instead of guessing what to do next, you now have a roadmap. Let's make it even better. Ask ChatGPT, what objections might customers have before purchasing? Now generate responses to each objection. This helps improve conversions because you're addressing concerns before they become barriers. You can also use ChatGPT for lead magnet ideas, webinar outlines, product launch plans, customer personas, marketing calendars, promotional campaigns. The entrepreneurs winning with AI aren't replacing marketers. They're becoming more effective marketers. AI doesn't eliminate strategy. It amplifies strategy. Here's the complete workflow. Research your audience, generate customer insights, create ads, build landing pages, write sales copy, develop email funnels, optimize messaging, launch campaigns. Today's challenge: use ChatGPT to create one customer avatar, one Facebook ad, one landing page outline, one sales message, one 5 email funnel. Save every prompt for future campaigns. By the end of the day, you'll have a complete marketing system ready for implementation. Marketing is not about shouting louder. It's about communicating more clearly. And ChatGPT gives entrepreneurs the ability to create professional marketing assets faster than ever before. But remember, the tool doesn't create results. Execution creates results. In the next episode, we'll uncover one of the most powerful uses of ChatGPT: research. You'll learn how to discover opportunities, analyze competitors, identify customer pain points, and make smarter business decisions faster. Because the better your information, the better your decisions. And the better your decisions, the faster your business grows. Next episode, ChatGPT for research. Find opportunities faster. Comment below. If ChatGPT could solve one marketing challenge for your business today, what would it be? If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Skill Yield Lab, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. We're not just learning AI, we're building systems that attract customers, generate revenue, and create long-term business growth. I'll see you in the next episode. Most entrepreneurs spend their time chasing customers. The smartest entrepreneurs build systems that attract customers automatically. The question is, are you building campaigns or are you building machines?